Hello children, welcome back to the verb session. We are doing the practice book. We'll continue that. Okay, all of you open page number 32 of your practice books, unit 5 verbs. Okay, and we have I'll share the screen with you, and we know that up to where we have stopped children the last session, and the continuation is this now, that is worksheet 3. So what is there in worksheet 3? Yes, you have already learned that verbs express actions. Yes, verbs express actions. Now observe the following sentences. Okay, we'll see some sentences which is given in the practice book. What was given? I think the question is easy. Meera likes fruits. Can you hear me? Should we invite her for the party? So the bold words, what are the bold words in that sentences, children? Think, likes, hear, invite. So they do not express any physical action. Like hitting means you can show it. Walking means you can show it. But think, we cannot show it. Likes, it's a feeling. Hear, we cannot show it. It's a feeling. Invite, can we invite? Invite is not an action, like we cannot show it. We'll just invite. So they express actions that happen mentally. They are called as mental actions. So there are difference in these verbs, children. Physical actions, mental actions. Okay. So writing is a physical action. You will write, you can show it, right? And suppose your mother asks you a question and you'll say like, Mummy, I'm thinking. So thinking is a mental action. It is a verb, but it is a mental action. Okay. I admire that drawing. Admiring is, we cannot show it, but admire, it is a mental action. So there are some words in the second question you see here in the pink box. Read the following words and put them in the appropriate boxes. What was given? Move, feel, look, jump, imagine, eat, suggest, believe, throw, listen, wish, think. So when you see these words, what are the words? Like move. Move is an action word. You can see something moving, right? The rat is moving, the person is moving. So here, words expressing physical action, words expressing mental actions, both are given. We have to write what are physical actions, what are mental actions, children. Okay. So when I write the first word here, move. Move is a physical action. So I'll write here move, M-O-V, move as a physical action, the column here. Okay. Now the second word in the pink box is feel. Feel comes as mental action. We cannot show it, right? So here we write feel. Then I will be going to the next one. Look. Look is like you say that I'm looking, but you cannot show that how you're looking, and that cannot be seen, right? So that look comes as mental action. So here you have to write look, children. Okay. Then I'll be going to the next column. Next part. Yes. Now I'll be going to the next one. Let me scroll it. Yeah. Now it is clear. So what is jump? Yes, jump comes under physical action. So you have to write here physical action. Jumps comes under physical action. So I'll be writing here jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Then imagine comes under mental action, right? I-M-A-G-I-N-E, imagine. Imagine a story. So that comes as mental action. You cannot show what you're imagining, right? Then eat. Eat again comes as physical action. Right, you can show it. You're eating something. We can understand by seeing the physical action. We can understand that you're eating something. Suggest. Suggesting is like again a mental action. You simply suggest that, but you cannot show it, right? So you have to write suggest here. Then believe. Believe is also a mental action, right? Believe is also a mental action. B-E-L-I-E. Believe means trust. It is also a mental action. Throw. You can show it. So it comes as physical action, children. So throw is a physical action. Listen. Listen again comes as mental action. Listening, you cannot show it, right? You're listening or not, we cannot understand, right? Then wish. Wish also comes as, yes, wish also comes as mental action. So here I'll write W-I-S-H, wish. Okay, fine, children. Then the last word is think. Think also comes as mental action. So T-H-I-N-K, think. So I just wrote here randomly. You write in the boxes, children. Okay, fine, children. Yes. Now I'll be going to the next page, that is fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the 8 box. I'm going to page number 33, children. What is the 8 box? Go, take, brush, leave, study, clean, eat, board, play, come, reach, finish, sleep. Now you have to write, I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. So what you do? I dash my teeth. Yeah, I brush my teeth. That you have to write here. What you have to write? I brush my teeth. So B-R-U-S-H. I brush my teeth. Dash my face. What you can choose the correct word? I clean my face. C-L-E-A-N. Clean my face. And take a bath. Very good. T-A-K-E. Take a bath. I eat. Yes. I eat breakfast. You have to write here. I eat breakfast. And what you will do? I go for school. So you have to choose go here. Then I dash the school bus. I board. Board means I get into the school bus. B-O-A-R-D. I board the school bus. Not the blackboard, children. I board the school bus and dash the school in time. And you can find reach. So I'll write here reach. R-E-A-C-H. I reach the school bus in time. Then I dash there for the whole day. What do you do in the school? Yes, you can write here. I study in the school for whole day. Then and dash during the recess and play. You can write here play, P-L-A-Y, and play during the recess. Then I dash back at 3 a.m. I come back at 3 p.m. and dash my homework and finish my homework. Yes, F-I-N-I-S-H, finish my homework. Then I dash for about an hour. What do you do? I sleep. So you can write here, I sleep for an hour and play with my friends in the evening. So you can write here again, play. Okay, children. So 2 times you can use play here. No problem. So this is what the paragraph is about. Okay, children? Yes. Now I'll be going to the next part. Yes. So what is given here? Now, yeah. Read the following sentences. Ria is a good dancer. They are my friends. A table has 4 legs. I have many pets. So here are some words you can see. Is, are, has, have. These tell what people or things are or what they have. They have apples. Have. Okay, this is my pen. This is something about pen it is telling. So these words are also called verbs, children. Okay, even am, are, was, were, had are also called verbs. Not only the action words. Here you have to understand. Okay, so I have a pencil. You will be getting a doubt. What is the verb in that? Have is the verb. So sometimes a verb is also made up of more than one word. Like the sun is shining. Rohit was talking on phone. My cousin will be visiting us tomorrow. So the sun is shining. You have to completely underline is shining, was talking, will be visiting. So this way you have to understand that not only action words, some other words are also verbs. Okay, now by this we will do the exercise in page number 34 children. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. One example is done for you. He broke a chair. So what is the verb in this? Broke. That's why it was underlined. Sania won the title. Sania won the title. So what is the verb in this? Yes, Sania won the title. So I have to underline that. Like he broke a chair. Broke is the verb. Sania won the title. So I'll be underlining one here. Niti has bought a new laptop. So here has bought. Has is also a verb. Niti has bought a laptop. Has bought, you have to underline. Okay. Anshu is reading a comic book. Is reading. You have to underline is reading, children. Ravi is a tall boy. In this, what will be the verb? Is. So underline is. The designer made a new dress. So what is the action done by him? He made. So underline made. Okay. Then Ritu invited Rima to her birthday. So what he did? Invited. So invited is an action word. Mental action word. Then Neha loves ice cream. So you have to underline loves. Okay. Then close the windows. Here what will be the action word? Close. You have to underline close. We will go for a picnic tomorrow. So here go will be the action word. Okay, children, are you listening to me? Here what will be the action word? Listening. Mangoes are yellow. So here R will be the action word. What are yellow? Mangoes are yellow. So R will be the action word, children. So that way you have to underline these sentences. Okay. Now I'll be going to the next part, the last part of this exercise. That is, you see here, do it yourself. Underline the verbs in the following riddles and solve the riddles. Okay, riddles are very interesting, like puzzles only. I have a face and two hands. I tell you the time. What am I? Yes, it is a clock. So you have to write here clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay, children. Then I have teeth, but I cannot bite. What am I? Yes, it's a comb. Fine. Then I swim in water. I quack when I talk to my friends. Who am I? Yes, I'm a duck. So you can write here D-U-C-K, duck. Okay. Next, I'm bright. I twinkle at night. Yes, what is that action done by the star? So you have to write here S-T-A-R, star. And I have wheels. I run on rails. I carry passengers. Who am I? I'm a train. So this is the action done by the train, children. Okay, comb does the action that it has. I mean, it cannot bite, but it does, like it combs. Comb is a clock. Clock has a face and it tells the time. So here underline the verbs in the following riddles and solve the riddles. Okay. So you have to underline here. So I told you have is a just a second, children. Yeah. Here have you have to underline. Have a face, not text. Yes, I have. Have you have to underline. And two hands, I tell you, tell is a verb again. You have to underline that. I have teeth. Again, I told you have is verb here and I cannot bite. Bite is a verb, action word. I swim. Swim is a verb, children. I quack. Duck quacks. And when I talk, talk is also an action word. Okay. I am bright. Am here is the action word and it twinkles at night. Twinkle also you have to underline. Okay. I have I told you, I have wheels. I run. Run is an action word. Carry is also an action word. So you have to underline all these verbs, children. That is what the exercise is about. Hope you are clear with this practice work. And thank you so much for listening. You have any doubts, message me, children. Have a nice time.